Hey guys, afternoon. So, Josie just came in the door all on her own, and then went outside all on her own and started playing with Dad's wheelchair. She's starting to run, but it's slow. She's like a gallop, slow walk, fast walk. But she's starting to run. But it was funny. She was bawling at the window. I saw her come over under the window, and the next thing I know, she's at the door. She came in and grabbed a bottle. She hasn't had a bottle in 4 days because all she wants is grass. And now hay, now that she's eating it. But I'm trying to get her to have water. It's raining out, so she's going back and forth, either in the house or in the trailer with her hay. This Mother Nature is crazy, because the other day was snowing. Nuts, huh? So above all this virus stuff and quarantine stuff, you can't even enjoy being outside on your own lawn, because it's either raining, snowing, hailing, or just crappy. It's nuts. I know I do too much of Josie, but and she's not a project, but right now that's where I'm at. For those who keep with me, thank you. I appreciate it. It's great. Hope you have a fun, safe day. See you later.